بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رمضان مبارك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. I'll try to speak few words in English. And basically, أنا دي مهضة مركز وأنا شغلة هنا نكورين. مركز أنت أنا هذا الكيك بلعبه وحنين شيء. There will be the same event next Saturday, which is April 16th, in here itself. So if you can join us, hosted by the Somali community of Minnesota, we will really appreciate it. مرة بعد حفلة أمر اللحية تبقى حفلة يا هل كان كدعو تصدر وكلا بفضلكم نقل سوق يبقى. Welcome. I'm so pleased to see all of you here. And I want to extend our thanks to you on behalf of the Somali community of Minnesota. Somalis everywhere, it is government, and to those of you who are here, including dignitaries led by our representative Ilhan Umar, state senators, house reps for the state, and those who have worked so hard to put this event, this special event together. Especially my friend and brother Abdurrahman Kahin, who is the owner of Delhi Market, the Afro Delhi Market, and the committee that has been working with him and our imams of all the different Islamic organizations that are here. We sincerely appreciate your strong show of support in the wake of the Wahen market disaster in Hargeisa, Republic of Somaliland. The economic impact of the life has devastating consequences for hundreds of thousands of people in every aspect of their life. The inability to provide for the most basic needs, food, clothing, and other necessities vital to everyday life. The shops at Wahen Mall or Market, covering around close to 3 kilometers, that include 36,000 owners of shopkeepers and their employees, with an extension dependence of about 360,000. The cost estimate is to be about $2 to $2.5 billion. The good news is that Somalilanders are very resilient and believe that something good will come of this disaster with your support and fundraising efforts. They will build back a stronger and safer community and market. It is comforting to know that Republicans, Democrats, Independents, and people from all walks of life have come together and united in a common cause. In a world where there is much that divides us, I believe that there is more that we share in common. And this special event reinforces that belief. Rest assured that this money will reach the people for whom it is intended. In the words of my friend Paul Wallstone, we all do better when we all do better. Once again, I want to thank for your participation and support for building back better as the Somalilanders begin to rebuild not only the mall, but also a thriving economic base for the future. Please know that Somalilanders everywhere have a special place in their hearts for each of you for your support and fundraising effort. walaalayaal qalbigayga ugu buuxa haddaanu nahay ummadda jamhuuriyadda Somaliland, haddaanu reer Somaliland community nahay, Soomaali meel kasta ay joogto, intan halkan joogta, inta Jabuuti joogta, inta Soomaaliya joogta, iyo inta Kenya joogta, waxaad ogtihiin waan idiin sheegaynaa إنه قلبك يبوحه وأنه آدي إذنكم هذا كرمة كان ولا لي مسوق كرمتين ومن تاريخي وإن قد حيسة وأنه دقن يهدى اللهين بشهر رمضان وحان إلهي كبريات إنه دمانتين حسنات كنا يدين راعيه والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And please join us next Saturday. Thank you so much.